How to change language on Spotify. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Spotify on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings and Privacy. After you're in Settings and Privacy, scroll down and you'll find Content and Display. Click on it. Now, in here, you'll find Display Preferences. Below it, you'll find Language Preferences. You can simply click on it and choose the language you want for this app. In my case, it's not available in my region, so I won't be able to show, but you will find your language in Display Preferences. And this is how to change language on Spotify. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.